This apartment has a real story. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone who has watched my last video and given lots of love. Thank you so very much. I'm really grateful because I was not expecting this response at all. So I'm really grateful for that. If you are new here, hi, I'm Smriti. We have recently moved back to India from London after spending almost 7.5 years there, and I'm sharing our little life moments here with you all. And today I'm super excited to show you all our house, which we can call our own. A quick update before we go there and begin. We are still in our Airbnb and we will be here for a few more months because our home is under renovation. So every day feels like we are one step closer, but there are a lot of work. So let's go. Standing here today feels very different because for years this place was just an investment, and today finally feels like our home. I can already imagine where the sofa will be, where we will sit together in the evenings, where we will do the get-togethers with our closed ones. It's amazing how an empty space can already feel full of dreams. Since the house was on rent from the beginning, we didn't spend much on interiors back then. We just got the basic modular kitchen done so that everything was functional. And also for bedrooms, instead of custom wardrobes, we simply bought ready-made ones and kept it there. At that time, honestly, it didn't make sense to invest in complete interiors because we were not living here. And also, this clip was actually the very first one I recorded after the tenants moved out. Within few days after we returned to India, we completely removed the kitchen. I know some of you might be thinking, why to break a perfectly good kitchen? The reason is simple. Now this is finally going to be our forever home, and we wanted to design it according to our needs. Now fast forward to 1 week. Now you can see all the flooring has been covered so that the interior work can begin safely. And it's finally happening. The design process has officially started, and honestly, this is the exciting part. This apartment has a little story. We actually bought this few years ago, but because we were in London, we never got a chance to live in this. So as soon as we got the possession, we rented it out. So it was on rent, it was occupied by someone else from last few years, and though I came once in between few years ago and I saw, but because people were already there, I didn't visit that properly. So today even I also saw this flat completely empty for the first time, and it really felt quite emotional. Nowadays almost every evening after work and every weekend is dedicated to only house planning. We are visiting furniture stores, looking for appliances, looking for color palettes, comparing wallpapers. Honestly, I never knew that these many decisions has to make to design a house. Sometimes it is exciting, but sometimes it is very confusing also. But we are enjoying every bit of it. And the best part is, we are getting involved in designing everything. Though we have hired a designer, but still we are getting involved in what color to choose, which wall has to be which color, what appliances has to be put. So it's quite exciting. Now the house is completely empty, but soon it will be filled with furnitures, appliances, family, guests, friends, and lot of laughter and memories. And I'm quite excited about it. I can't wait to take you all along this journey of transforming that house to home. I'm planning to share few details about it also. If you really want to know, then let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoy these kind of videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.